Ayan. Pero ayusin ko pa.
Ano yan?
The lights, wait.
Asan yung shade?
Ano yan? Pixar?
Exactly. Hello, mga taong bayan dyan sa far away. Sakit ang likod ko. Oh my God, stunt queen. Char. Hello, guys.
Patip na lang sa Gcash.
Welcome back to my channel. Mag-open lang tayo ng gifang na mga panay earlier. Cause I heard, uso to sa mga rugal-rugal. Mga kulang sa attention. Alam mo yun. So, ayun. First gift is from Mama, I don't know. Walang name. I love that people are giving me... What the fuck was that? Giving me cookies. Thank you so much. If you're here, my love, thank you. Cookies. Bakla zero energy na talaga ata Sigo. Oh, maraming salamat sa nagbigay.
Thank you for the cookies.
Thank you for the cookies. Atake. This one's for my cat daw. Mas spoiled pa yung mga pusa ko. Give nyo. Kasama ko si Acid and yung manager ko. Atake. Baka napagod ako. Okay. Can somebody send a masseur? Yung pogi.
Legit.
Yung legit empty. Atake.
Legit.
Legit empty, please. Yung pogi, masarap. Boto. Charis! Maraming salamat, Andre, for this cucumber company. Ang ganda ng skin ko today. Oh my gosh. Meron pa ba to? Gorgeous. Should I bring this?
Sabihin mo, Bili, Baguio and Laguna available.
Ay, available to for Baguio and Laguna.
Here, ito, pakita mo.
Ay, oo nga, Leche. Pinatapatrabaho na naman ata siya. Photo cards, Kim Purposes. If you guys wanna buy, just message Chudipu team, Goach. Go. Pagod ako, okay? I'm tired. I'm too beautiful for this. I'm too beautiful to work. If may kilala kayong sugar daddy or like bet na
Ouch.
yung kink is
Sa Davao yan.
housewife, tapos ayaw magtrabaho ng asawa, ako na yung...
Girl.
If you guys see me na nasa yacht, not doing anything, don't save me. I'm complete. Pag hindi na ako nagdadraga, that only means... Ang cute naman nito. Oh my gosh. Ang cute ng letter. Look at this. I might keep this. I'm gonna keep all the letters naman, honestly. Sana meron pa Davao. Goach. Hindi ako nagbabasa ng comments. Good evening, mga taong bayan dyan sa far away. Parang necklace for my cat. She really assumed I'm this skinny. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. I am, bitch. Period. Maraming salamat, Miss. Ay, kay Iris Leche. Iris Versaint. Maraming salamat if you're here. What is this? Please be money. Charis. Ano ba to? Oh my God, please be accessories. If you are wondering, ano yung bet ko na gifts, accessories talaga bakla. Hardcore. The girly pop. Oh, this is cute. Please be an accessory organizer. Please be an organizer for exactly. Organizer for what do you call that? Rings. Parang perfect to siya beside my gold. Shit, it's silver. You know what? It will still go. A orange. Which I'm so tired. Shit neto for my cats. You know what? Let me open this. Toothbrush siya for my cats. Is this really for my cats? Akin na to. Jeez. Ano to? Is this really for my cats? Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Cute. Para daw to kay Eclipse and Moon. Buti pa sila. Jeez. Toothbrush sila, no?
Si Yudi walang toothbrush.
Toothbrush. Pasabog. I love your accent. Say it again. Toothbrush. Oh my God, may nagbigay din ng Kemperehis. I really love this. Whatever this is. Lahat ba may lagnat? I just wanna ask, cause Mama, She handmade this. Period.
Cute.
You are the star of... Oh my god. Nalobat pa nga, leche. Ang cute! Yung mga stars inside King Kitty Hills. Right? Go. Ano pa ba nandikis? Si Lexi, thank you so much for the kimpam parehus. Ano ba to? Oh my god. May pa-letter sila. Perfect. Bakla na vocal strain ako. Fuck. Wala. Wait, this is cute. What the fuck? Parang may ganipis ka. Right?
This one. Ay, no.
Color blue. Is this the same bitch?
That's the same view.
Is this the same bitch who gave... Yes, I think so. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Oh my god, this is so cute. Honestly.
Ganyan ako blue.
Namet.
It's giving Beanie vibes. Oh my god, she's so cute. Ang cute. Right? Mesmerized.
How many drug nurses do you have?
Dalawa sila, si
Yung sa
Gab.
doktor.
Si Jong.
Tatlo pala. Yung isa doktor. Yung isa vapor. Ano ba yung title? Vapor. Yung isa papansin.
Yung isa tambucho.
Yung isa tambucho.
Dragon.
Yung isa driver. Atake. Bet nyo. Ano to? Oh my god.
Shit.
I think pa na-open to. What is this? I finally have. I've been manifesting this. Exactly.
Doon ba?
Exactly. This is already open. I don't mind. Ay, hindi pala. Akala ko open. Who are we gonna get?
Oh my God.
Oh my god, they're so cute. Wait, is this for the phone?
Oh my god.
Please, let me get the cancer one. Oh my god.
Actually.
Di mo nababasa ng comments.
Phone.
Oh my gosh. I finally have. Yung nilalagay sa phone. Am I Gen Z now? I'm Gen Z for that.
Girl, that's so cute.
Exactly. What do we want? I want this. Honestly, I want this. Yung cancer. Yeah.
God, mystery box.
Exactly.
Oh, man.
I've been always wanting this.
Bitch, close your eyes first.
Oh, exactly.
Close your eyes first.
Atake niya.
She said Katy Perry.
So where do we put
left
this?
shark.
Where do we put this shit? Whatever that is, she cute as fuck. Where am I gonna put it? I feel like hindi ko siya ilalagay. I'm gonna put it over there. Cause it feels so cute. Maraming salamat, Post. Maraming salamat, Post. Start na ng Anik-Anik Chronicles ni Yudi. Honestly, ang dami ko. Sa isang bag ko, andun lahat ng Anik-Anik na binigay ng Fanny. So, it's so heavy. Parang cellphone lang ilalagay ko doon. Tapos mabigat na siya. Where is this from? PS, hindi po H&M ang laman. Sana
Walang
house
name.
and lot. Oo nga, walang name. Please, sana house and lot. Or like convertible car. Fuck, hindi. Charis. What is this? Ah, ito yung name.
Ay, may paano?
From the crowd. Red-haired girl from the crowd. Parang dalawa sila red-haired girl. Mali. Miss Nicole, thank you so much. For the Kimpampa. What is this? Please take care of yourself and your mental health. Does she think I'm mentally ill? Oh my god.
A little bit.
That will change the way you think. Does she think I have like a broken mindset? Miss Nicole, I wanna have a talk. But thank you so much, my love. Yan na yung mga pusa ko. Puksaan na. This is from, I don't know who.
You're sinning.
What is this? Wala tayong background song. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Y'all trying to make me fat, eh? Oh, this is so cute. Don't tell me she made this. Oh my god. Oh, this is cute. Beanie. Attack. Now, what do I want to eat right now? May bet ba kayo? What do I want? Ay, parang bet ko to. Baka I'm so tired. Oh my gosh. Send Masur. Now. Yung burak. Coach. Enough sugar for today. Are we done?
Yep.
I think that's all. We have this. Oh my god. Sobrang foggy ng mga binigay right now. Bakit magkakulay? Oh my fucking God. And the bracelet too. Do you really think I'm a foggy?
Well,
Look at this. Oh my God. Look at girl, kakulay lahat.
actually,
Gag me. Even the fucking poster. I mean, not the poster, like, gag. Agi, gakakita, takas ang una sa Riverside. Okay, and
that wasn't me. That was Christian.
hi, binipota, leche. Ama na yan. Oh my God, this is so cute too. Let's stick it here. Wait lang, sobrang spicy sa ilong ha. Mali. Ang cute din ito.
Ibang flavor ba?
Can use
Eh,
this.
huwag ka na, babe. Tama na yung chemical.
I think you should change your vaping to
Sing
to
hot na,
Ganesh.
true.
Kasi
Girl,
parang
sa ganyan talaga namatay lolo ko.
sa vape.
Nasal,
Bitch, how the fuck?
nasal kemi. Mahilig siya maganyan. Then, he died.
So this is not healthy?
I think pag sobra. Kasi pinapagalitan ako ng tita ko pag nag-ganyan ako.
Me everyday sa work.
Nagkaroon
What do
siya
you
ng
mean he
nasal,
died?
nasal kemi sa ilong. Girl, when he died, his nose was
Nakalive
like,
tayo ah.
What do you mean?
his nose was like so flat. Kasi nga, may infection and shit. Tapos nilagyan ng bulok.
Whoever gave me this, try na sabotage my nose. Charis. You know what? Maybe once a month. Charis. Crazy. Ang cute
It's
na ito.
cute though. Aries, give ko sa'yo. Charis.
Miss Iris, my love. Lagi ka present to meet and greets. Mapansin ka. I love it. Thank you. This is so cute, but I know where to put it. Pasan mo yung bag na pang galing edge.
Isa sa mga small bags mo. Cute siya though.
I can keep it sa Barbie.
True.
Parang pink siya, leche.
How
Nakakabini
cute
to.
though.
Wait lang, can I put this accessory?
Meron pa ako isang ganyan.
Nakakabini siya.
Meron isang ganyan.
Mini inch.
Interior.
This is so cute. I think I'm gonna end this because mga vocal strain na naman. Ata she, you know, live singer kasi ako eh.
6:30 call time.
6:30 a.m. yung call time. Magbabagyo yung mga bakla. Next tour stop. If you're from Baguio, I'll see you there. Ang daming funny last time sa Baguio. I feel like, are they gonna go? Di ko kasi pinopromote yung anik namin, ghost. Ayun, if you're from Baguio, I'll see you there. Saan nga yung show?
Hive.
Hive.
Yeah.
So, masarap yung mood ko kasi hindi mainit.
Better.
Divine. Parang worth it yung laser sa mukha. Ay, wait, may filter to. May filter to. Hindi pala to totoong skin. Tsaka.
Hindi to totoo.
Hindi to totoo.
Kainin.
Tsaka. Anyways.
Baka makalimutan.
I forgot my ring na binigay ng... I can't say it live. Baka nito yung mga ano. Yung mga... lalaki. Ano ba ito madarama? Kiparahas, kiparahas. Bakla. Give nyo sa amin. Girl trends kami. Bakit? Give nyo. Okay na yung tamang steps, di ba?
Nakakatawa yung food reveal.
Ano da? Ano?
Pod reveal.
O food reveal, bet mo. Bakla, ako lang pala nalalagdat. Is everybody sick? I wanna see. Is everybody sick? Wala akong lakad today. Kakatapos lang ng show. I love na ang bilis ng show. Oh my God, this is how it should be. 6 a.m. ang gays tonight. So, punta to sa archive. Yung mga letters. Parang at this point, I'm gonna make a compilation of letters. Alam mo si Jeff umuwi ng mga ano ko. Ng mga paper bags. Kasi sobrang daming paper bags, like hardcore. Dahil sa gifts.
So, kinuha niya.
Yeah. Sabi ko, I don't have space anymore for this. So, ayun. Parang I wanna see this. Ano ba to siya?
Parang the other one. Yeah, the darker one. Yes, yes.
Change the way you think. Oh my God, does she think I'm problematic? I'm kinda gagged. Mama, I'm gagged.
Sign mo na.
I live for Beanie with leche. Tama na kayo. Sign mo. Oh my gosh, trabaho na naman. Pinapasayan ako ng manager. Ang ganda talaga ng ano, masikat ng mga taong bayan yung ano, yung holographic, but I really love this one na finish. Nakita ko to sa isang drag queen. Sabi ko, ay, perfect
Alex?
yan. Akala ko walang finish na ganiis. I am the love. I love. Need to keep some. Ano na lang ako, what do you call it? Mag-time na ta. Parang mali yung angle. Tsaka. Parang free the knee perch. Gago din nakikita. Kita ba? Parang bulag siya.
True. I said sa may yellow ka na lang mag-sign banda.
Exactly. Ay, ang tsaka ng ano. Ang tsaka ng... I mean, parang carry lang pala. Parang hindi siya for signature.
I think better sign up para...
I'm gonna sign some... What do you call this? Some... photo cards for the tour. Bakla 6 a.m. pa talaga. Trabaho na naman. You know what? Kalmahan ko sa Baguio. Chase.
First show mo doon, right?
Yeah, sa Hive.
But you've been there, di ba?
Yes, like twice last year. Twice or thrice?
Yeah.
Pupunta ko din ako sa beauty.
Real. Tapos punta agad ng Laguna.
The next day, morning.
Anyways, tomorrow we'll be at Baguio. And then we're gonna be at... Laguna on Sunday. So ayun. See you guys if ever. Coach. Baka parang nahahaya ako sa Pentel Pen. Oh my gosh. Mama. Wari. Charis. Ganda talaga ng finish na to. I love this finish. Oh my gosh. I love this. Go. Goach. She's gonna be available on tour. Goach.
Hindi daw kayo magsha-show sa LU.
We're gonna be in LU soon. April. Go.
19?
Honestly, I don't know the dates.
19.
Kasi parang di pa nila na finalize. But the dates are there.
Around the weekend of Holy Week.
Yeah, around the weekend daw ng Holy Week. Go. I'm just echoing because I don't know the dates. Because mama, nalito din ata honestly. So yeah, April for, what do you call this? LU and Pampanga. This weekend, we're gonna be at Baguio. And Laguna. Is Laguna far? Diyan lang sa tabi-tabi. Maraming taong bayan nagre-request ng boy pictures.
Bumili yung nag-request.
Exactly. I don't have these, pero sold out na to. Sold out ba to?
Ha? Meron pa. Available sa Baguio and ano mo.
Oh yeah. These available sa Baguio. I don't know about the others if my stocks. Goach.
Pwede ka ba photocard pero sa Bacolod?
Yeah, sure. Goach.
Message you dito.
Message mo na lang yung UDPO team. Go if you want it.
I will show you something.
Last time wala akong merch dyan when I went home. Kasi parang hindi naman siya show yung pinuntahan ko dyan. So, yung pinunta. Pasta. Merch na mag-focus sa inyo. Yay! We're gonna go. Because we're gonna fix. Bye! How the fuck do they do this? Like tour, like 2 hours na dancing. I can't. Go. I'll see you guys. Bye. See you Baguio. Laguna. Somewhere. Go. Bye.